Okay, so fucking, we had like way too many fucking people want a sticker. So we wrote all your names down, and we're gonna put them in this questionable Blue Jays hat, and we're gonna pick 10 of yous. And then you'll have to like email fucking Jeff, or I don't know.
Say we'll put it in the link. Like we'll put the link in the bottom.
We'll put the link in the bottom where you can send your address. So let me see. I'm gonna pick a good one here. So fucking Robert Hardwick. It should be Hard Dick. I don't know why. I would change that up if I was you. But Robert Hardwick. Stephen Connolly. He's a roofer. Scott Cote, or Cote, C-O-T-E. How many is that? 3?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get one from the bottom here. T-Town. Old T-Town. I'm a big fan of T-Town. 4. Outdoorsman 1944. You're a fresh new winner of a Treedicks sticker. Bubba C. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 more. 4 more. Redneck Lowlife. That's Will's fan. Donald King. Ken Doyle. Ken Doyle. Boo. One more. MichiganMadMan. And well, let's do one more. Oh fuck. 1023 Curlyq. Holy shit, there's a mouthful, eh? We'll do one more. Trevor Calhoun, or Colllourn. That's you. Fucking send us a message. So yeah, if just a couple other things here. Well, fuck, this thing's right zoomed in. If your name didn't get drawn and you want a sticker, the stickers are free with a $5 donation. There's a thing in the like a PayPal thing you can click on. I don't know about that stuff. I just do what I'm told. And, oh yeah, there's supposed to be a big brawl going down at the Ramshackle on Saturday. Either Trock's gonna come out of retirement and fight some guy from Pug's place or something, and if he won't do it, then we got Mike as our what do you call it? You know, the guy that'll fight if the other guy chickens out. So yeah, that'll be up in a couple days, and beat it, man. Get out of my video.
Get out of there.
So yeah. Keep watching, like, comment, subscribe, tell your aunt, uncle, grandma, and yeah.